For the rich, not me, but that's not how it's meant to be. The law was written to make it fair for dreamers, builders everywhere. From the start, the plan was clear to give the bold a voice to hear. You got the right to claim your part. Protect your hands, your mind, your heart. Patents aren't just for the rich and known. They're for the dreamers on their own. Take your chance, let courage hold. Go big. Inventor made a ring, turned the doorbell into a brilliant thing. Rejected first, but he stayed strong. Now his vision lives.